What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to delete your Google account. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. If you have more than one Google account or have any other personal reason to delete your Google account but don't know how to do it, then you've arrived to the right place. To delete your account, open your browser and sign into your Google account. Once done, click on your profile picture in the top right corner. Then, click on Manage your Google account. It will take you to the welcome page. Here on this page, click on Data and Privacy in the menu bar on the left side. Once you reach the Data and Privacy page, scroll down until you find More Options. Here, in the More Options section, click on Delete your Google account. Once you click it, it will ask you for the account password. After this, you will land on this page titled Delete your Google account. Before you delete your account, you can select Download your data to save it in your drive. Once you're done saving your data, keep scrolling down while reading the content on the page. Before deleting your account, check these boxes and agree to deleting your Google account. Now you can click Delete Account and it will be deleted with all of your saved data. These steps and more information will be available in my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.